Today I'm going to discuss some of the key factors, how AI is influencing Power BI and Tableau in today's technology. AI is significantly enhancing the capabilities of both Power BI and Tableau, transforming how businesses analyze and visualize data. Here is how AI is influencing these tools. For Power BI, AI Insights. Power BI integrates AI features such as text analytics, sentiment analysis, and key phrase extractions, enabling users to gain deeper insights from their data. Predictive analytics. AI-driven predictive analytics help focus trends and identify patterns, allowing businesses to make proactive decisions. Automated data preparation. AI automated data preparation tasks, reducing the time and effort required to clean and organize data. Natural language processing. Users can interact with their data using natural language queries, making it easier to generate reports and visualizations. Enhanced visualizations. AI-powered visuals such as key influencers and decomposition traits provide more intuitive and insightful data representations. For Tableau, AI-powered insights. Tableau's AI capabilities, such as Tableau Pulse and Explain Data, provide automated plain language explanations and insights, making data analysis more accessible. Generative AI. Tableau leverages generative AI to create meaningful content and insights from user input, simplifying data analysis and visualization. Predictive modeling. AI models integrated into Tableau enables users to build predictive models directly within the platform, enabling decision-making. Smart suggestions. AI offers smart suggestions and in-depth guidance, helping users create more effective visualizations and analysis, which today is referred to as prompt engineering. Data stories. AI-generated data stories add context and explanations to dashboards, making it easier for users to understand and act on their data. These AI-driven enhancements in both Power BI and Tableau are revolutionizing the field of data analytics, making it more efficient, accurate, and user-friendly. I'll conclude by saying that Power BI and Tableau are the most popular BI tools among all business intelligence tools because of their features and capabilities like embedded BI, data blending, multi-data source connections in cloud databases, and on-premise databases. They facilitate sharing of reports and dashboards among their users easily. Data scientists, analytics engineers, business analysts, top management, without access to these tools, can still access reports and dashboards and make critical business decisions. These two tools are top in BI market because of their attractive visualizations capabilities. Power BI, in particular, offers features of both import and creation custom visuals, which brings out its beauty. These facts have made some of these BI tools more popular when it comes to selecting top BI tools in today's market.